Kalashnikov has unveiled a new long-range kamikaze drone named Kub-10E. With cruise flight speed of 100 km per hour, it is designed to target enemy light vehicles, armored personnel carriers, command posts, air and missile defense facilities. China has unveiled its massive Type 076 amphibious assault ship named Sichuan. It features cutting-edge technology, including twin-island superstructures and advanced electromagnetic catapults with arresting gear, enabling it to launch and recovery of fixed-wing aircraft. The ship is designed to carry a combination of fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and amphibious equipment. The Turkish Air Force received its first operational Anka-3 stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle from Turkish Aerospace Industries. The Anka-3 is designed to be a highly versatile platform, capable of carrying out various missions from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes. Ukraine has unveiled its domestically built Shchedryk unmanned aerial vehicle designed to monitor movements of hostile troops. The Shchedryk can reach speeds of up to 150 km per hour with maximum range of 40 km.